The way you win in this market, the way you win in the stock market is by investing in companies that have optionality, that are not just stuck in one bucket, that can leverage their technology, all of their solutions in a vertically integrated manner to offer more services across various industries, various segments. Think Google started out with search, then they moved to phones. Then they said, hey, we can use our phone and search technology to build a laptop. And then they used their search, phone, and computer technology, as well as their hardware technology, to produce Google Home voice assistants that is the best out there. There's just no competition. That's how you win. That's how you protect your capital. Not by investing in 100 companies, but by finding the one company that can do 100 things and do them very well. Of course, not 100, you know what I mean? Multiple things and deliver on each of them better than anybody else can. That's what Tesla does. That's what Google does. That's what SoFi does. That's what Tattoo Chef does. That's what Square does. That's what Amazon does. And that's what Cloudflare does. And so many more. Those are the type of companies that 10x, 20x, 100x over the decades. And that's why I find those few companies that can do that and do that very well and go extremely heavily into them. That's why whenever I show you my portfolio, 1 or 2 positions account for half of my portfolio, if not more.